Lord Krishna was a very kind and loving person. He was born a long time ago at a place called Mathura. He likes to eat butter very much. Let me song for you. Gopala Kinandana Gopala 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 Devaki Nandana Gopala 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 Vasundhavanandana Gopala 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 Vasundhavanandana Gopala Devaki Nandana Gopala Vasundhavanandana Gopala Devaki Gopala Devaki Nandana